Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Nighty Boo from Garten of Banban as a Squishmallow. We're going to start off the left of the page. Right around here we're going to start with the eye and draw a medium-sized eye. Once you're done with the eye, let's just draw in a big circle for the black part, a little circle for the highlight, and fill in your eye. We want to do the step on the other side, so start off, draw a similar shape, and then fill it in, highlight, and fill in the other side. Now on the center of your page, we're going to start with the nose, just to draw a big M, like so, and connect it on the bottom. Now with the nose done, we just want to do two little nostrils. And to move over to the mouth, we're just going to add a top of the mouth. And then two pairs of teeth. With the mouth done, let's just draw the side of the face. Starting from the top. Go down. All the way down until you reach the bottom, and we want to continue all the way up and stop around this point. Once you're done with that line, we're just going to connect it with a slight curve and then add a little bit of the top and then another higher one. This is going to be the top of the hat, and one more for the detail top of the hat. Once your hat is done, let's move over to the right ear. Starting from this point, we're going to go out and go back in, like so. And for the ear detail, we want to go out and back in. Let's repeat this ear on the other side. Go up, back in, out, back in. And now you have both ears done. We can move over to the wings. Start off with the left wing. We're going to go out to around this far, back down, and then we're going to start 3 of these mountain shapes, like so. And for the arm, we want to extend it out and go back in, and then 2 little lines for the details. And let's repeat this on the other side, starting from around the same area. Go out, mountain shapes, and back in, arm, and then wing details from the arm. I'll give you a little bit of time to finish the wings. And once you're completed with the wings, let's draw in the belly details. Starting around here, we can go up, right below the teeth, and back down to the body. And for our foot, it's going to be really simple. We're just going to go down, out, and back up, down, out, and back up. Once you're done with drawing, we just need to add some color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.